Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Lucid app login for vehicle controls. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your Lucid app login for vehicle controls, start by downloading the Lucid app from your device's app store. Open the app once it's installed on your device. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure your password meets the app's security requirements. After filling in your details, tap on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email at the address you provided. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the app and enter your login credentials. After entering your email and password, tap the Login button. The app will prompt you to enable vehicle controls. You may need to grant the app permission to access your vehicle settings. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete this step. After authentication is successful, your app should synchronize with your vehicle. You can now access various vehicle controls directly from the Lucid app. If you encounter any issues, consider resetting your password through the app. Go to the login screen and select Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password and try logging in again. With these steps, you should have successfully authenticated your Lucid app login. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your vehicle from the palm of your hand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.